Do you ever just look at the grilled chicken in your fridge that you've been eating for 5 days and think, I'd rather lick the floor of a beach bathroom than eat grilled chicken again? 'Cause same. As much as I really enjoy having a meal plan to follow, I definitely need to find ways to spice things up and not get bored of the food I'm eating in the week. So this is one way I like to do it. Obviously, it's not an exact science, but this is a nice chicken salad I like to make and put on some toast. I typically pair it with veggies and uh, fruit salad. Yeah.